Hello guys, today I just got Crazed Bird. Probably don't believe me, but once I kill this base, then you will. Off-screen recording. It is really early in the morning, so if I sound different, yeah, you know why. Early in the morning. See? Drop reward earned. Super rare cat. Crazed bird cat received. Yay. Plus, when did I get a lucky ticket? I'm not gonna use it right now. Oh, get my totals back. Level 30. Oh, nice pass. Go. Yes. So, let's go check him out. Oh, he look cool. I'm gonna upgrade him. Oh. And guess what? Crazed X Cat is on. See? Crazed X. What's in here? That's a lot of red. So I'm burning red. Take you. Search red. Weekend. Freeze. You don't weaken, but sure. Red face versus face. Yeah, this and this are my only two good units. So, yeah, my friend called me, so I had to use the bathroom, and then he called me. So, that took me about 2 minutes for me to do the video again. So, yeah, it's crazy. So, all the crazed cats are my favorite. But yeah. Let's see. Hopefully, you could beat this. Yeah, probably. I'm surprised we didn't need no cat CPUs or max cats or speed ups or a sniper. So let's get started. Last one wasn't too hard. Let's get started. Oh, you freeze. Why didn't you tell me that? He's in area 2? Holy moly, I got a spam. I think I know why I don't have it. What are you good at? Red. Do you freeze? Yes, you do. I thought he was good at against floating. This is really getting me. I cannot do this. Please, just kill my base so I can... Oh. Freeze. Oh, attacking my base. Hey, I was being sarcastic. Sure. It's not like I have a life. When did he get here? Get your goofy heads out of here. Please. I don't want death. I want survival. I'd use... What the heck? No. This is weird. So I can't get Crazed Axe, but I can get Crazed Titan. How does that work? Crazed Titan should be harder. Max, no. I'm not gonna press any buttons. Maybe I will. Yes, he froze. But I'm froze. Die. Just die. No one loves you. That's probably why it looks like you cry. Why is the cat CPU doing better than me? How? How's this possible? No, let's just do that. No, I only have 20 left. I was so close. No, I wasn't actually that close. Let's just end it with one of these, and we'll actually end it with cat ticket. You know what? Since I couldn't beat one of those, after this one, it's the moon. My one and only favorite zombie killer. Second only favorite zombie. No. First zombie killer favorite. Second zombie killer favorite. And third zombie killer favorite. After this, I'm gonna record me calling my friend. Maybe, maybe not. You know what I hate about zombie bears? Cadaver bears? They're just too hard. But I've killed one before, and when did I leave those on? Well, that's probably why it was so fast, but I need one more. It's the moon. See? But yeah, that is all for this video. Maybe, maybe not. No, it is.